Molly-Mae Hague has revealed she made a massive error in her and Tommy Fury's £3.5 million mansion. The 22-year-old has been keeping fans up to date with renovations in the impressive property, and last night shared a snap showing she forgot to do one very important thing. 3. Molly-Mae revealed she'd made a big error at her home credit, Instagram. 3. The star has kept fans up to date on renovations at the property credit, Instagram. Former Love Island star Molly posted the photo on her Instagram story, revealing she'd forgotten to close the windows in one of the rooms before it rained. Showing off soaked grey carpet, Molly added, "Must remember to shut windows in future." It comes after Molly revealed she and boxer Tommy will have separate dressing rooms in their Wonderland bedroom. Molly showed off the massive open space in the master bedroom where renovations are currently in progress. Not loads have changed since I last updated you, apart from the fact that these side walls have now been plastered in the master bedroom, the PLT creative director said. Pretty much all the building work has been finished in here. This bedroom is going to be a dreaming wonderland of a bedroom. The designs are just insane. I'm so excited for you to see them. Molly then gave a glimpse of her and Tommy's huge dressing rooms. So through to Tommy's dressing room, which is all covered up, not much is getting changed in here, Molly continued. This is my soon-to-be dressing room, the bedroom that I absolutely loved, but will be creating it in another one of the spare bedrooms. The reality star went on to show fans the room for her home gym, which she described as a hotel-style gym. 3. Molly recently revealed she and Tommy will have huge separate dressing rooms credit, Instagram.